Käyttiö valtapiha.
Today is the 21st of June 2020. Let's take this video quickly, and this is Insinöörinkatu 24-A here in Hervanta, Tampere, Finland, with 9 floors. Replaced in 2019. The capacity is 5 versions of working rooms, and the serial number is 437136553 with a toggle button. And it's going to be inspected this year, 2021. And also fast enough, but a bit boring interior.
Yeah.
Almost just stainless steel. They should have chosen something more interesting.
Yeah.
But I still made it through fast enough.
Yeah.
And but it's always been this fast.
Yeah.
Probably without the doors before.
Yeah. But on server drive.
Yeah. But they have it on the taller ones
Yeah.
as well. The taller replacements from 2019 as well.
Yeah.
Where we've been in one example, but I think there are 4 buildings.
Yeah.
We can get to it later. If we try later, but I don't know today, but next time. So.
Yeah.
Because it's very difficult to get there. That's it.
That's